Hey everyone, welcome back to Miata Everything. Today we're going to be replacing the light bulbs in the third brake light right here. I have been needing to replace these tail lights for a really long time. Ever since I owned the car, they never worked. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do that. It should be really simple, but you know, if you're new, if you don't know how to work on cars at all, this should help you a lot. And if you know how to do this, I guess thanks for watching. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Now let's get into it.
All right, like I said, this is gonna be a really easy fix. You got your trunk popped up right there, and there is your light bulb. Now apparently, I just looked at this, mine doesn't have a light bulb in it, so you just twist it counterclockwise, and you can pull it out, and your light bulb should be there, but I do not have one. I'm gonna put a new one in there right now. So what you're gonna wanna do is you have these two little grooves, one here and here, and on this itself, you have these little nubs right there. So that will go in the slit right here, and then you'll push it until it stops. Be gentle because it is glass, and you'll twist it clockwise, and that's not going anywhere. So once you have your light bulb in there, you'll just put that back right there, put that in there, and then turn it clockwise. There you go.
Now let's see if she works. Well, that was really easy. Very short video. This is gonna be like, what, a minute, 2 minutes long? Yeah, but that's pretty much it. Sorry about last week. No video because of the holidays. Next video will actually be about a guilty pleasure of mine is Underglow. I love it. I know it's ricey. I know it's really bad, but I got some for Christmas and I'm just super excited. Anyway, I'll show you guys how to do that in the next week, but thanks for watching. I hope you guys like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.